Today we are going to remove this wall clock from this clip. Let's go to the color page. Now let's create a new node. Press Alt and N. This is our new node. Let's go to the mask. We will create a circular mask here. Using the mouse left key, we will drag this mask over to this wall clock. Now we will go to the tracker and we will do forward tracking. It will take some time. Now our tracking is completed. Let's go to the effect and we will search for object removal and we will drag this object removal effect into our node. We will select blend mode to adaptive blend and click on scene analysis. It will analyze the scene and remove the mask object. Here you can see our object is removed. Let's play it at full screen. Now you can see there is no clock